People's Democratic Party has just ended. And here to brief you is the acting national chairman of our great party, His Excellency Ambassador Umar Inyadamago, the Deputy National Chairman South, His Excellency Ambassador Taufik Arakwaja, the Acting National Secretary, Honorable Architect Sotonji Koshodo, the National Publicity Secretary, Honorable Debo Ologwama, the National Treasurer, Honorable Yayari Ahmed.
No.
Your Excellency, sir, you may proceed with the briefing.
Gentlemen of the press, this is a communique of our 99th meeting of the National Executive Committee of our great party, the People's Democratic Party, today, Tuesday, May 27, 2025. The National Executive Committee of our great party at its meeting, the 99th NEC, thoroughly examined the state of the affairs of this nation and expressed as follows. Serious concern over the sorry and melancholic state of affairs of our nation under the irredeemably exploitative, insensitive and anti-people APC administration of Bola Tinubu. NEC condemns the worsening insecurity, the wanton killings, banditry, kidnapping, marauding of communities and other acts of terrorism in various parts of our country, emboldened by President Tinubu's apparent negligence and abdication of his constitutional duties to ensure safety and security of its citizens. NEC also laments the worsening economic hardship and extreme poverty in the country occasioned by the ill-advised and ill-implemented policies of the Tinubu administration, hike in fuel price, wanton increase in electricity tariff, multiple taxes, and unexplained charges on services, resulting in collapse of productive sector, closure of millions of businesses, massive loss of jobs, rise in criminality, and general sense of misery across the country. NEC also condemns the policy inconsistency, wholesale corruption, massive treasury looting, budget padding, and diversion of public funds that forbade the administration, resulting in infrastructure retrogression and loss of investors' confidence in our system. NEC restates the PDP demand that this administration should rescind all its anti-people policies and take practical steps to address the insecurity and economic recession in the country. Furthermore, NEC strip and annihilate opposition parties through open siege, threats, and intimidation of opposition figures and institutions of democracy in Nigeria. It is clear that this plot is born out of APC's mortal fear of inevitable defeat in 2027 due to its dismal failure in government. On the part of the PDP, NEC restates our party's belief in democracy, the rule of law, and the supremacy of the will of the people as expressed through their free and unhindered democratic participation into multi-party politics and governance. The successful convening of the 99th NEC meeting clearly communicates our party's unity and focus upon in the next NEC, which is slated for 30th June. NEC reassures Nigerians that the PDP remains strong, resilient, united, and determined now, more than ever before, in leading the charge to rescue our nation from the vicious grip of APC administration. Thank you. I said it in my communication. Thank you very much.
No, Chairman.
Thank you very much.